We all know that economic growth of any nation is mainly dependent upon the growth of the power sector. As far as our state of Andhra Pradesh was concerned, though our government has been putting all out efforts to augment the power generation capacity from about 11,000 megawatts to 16,335 megawatts in the last 5 years, the abnormal increase in power demand, transmission corridor constraints, and unprecedented fuel crisis, particularly shortage of natural gas in the last 2 years, has affected the power sector of AP, sir. The entire nation is facing power shortages, and AP is also no exception. Due to the severe shortage of natural gas alone, around 2,000 megawatts of power plants in the state have become idle, which forced the power utilities to impose power restrictions, though it was very painful to the power utilities. Sir, it is pertinent to note that this year, the state has witnessed the power demand crossing 300 million units per day as compared to last year demand of 270 million units per day. But anyway, the per capita consumption in the state, which is an indicator of the improved standards of the lifestyle and economic development, has also crossed 1,000 units, which is well above the national average of 879 units. The AP state has been putting special efforts to enhance the installed capacity to meet the power requirements of the consumers, particularly the industrial sector, including pulp and paper industry. The power utilities strongly believe that economic development of any state is linked with the growth of the industry, sir. And this growth in turn is very much linked with the betterment of the power sector. Presently, with the timely arrival of the monsoon and reduced demand supply gap, our DISCOMs could lift the restrictions on the power supply to the industries. To meet the requirements of all sections in the sectors in the future, the government is putting all out efforts to further enhance the generation capacity to the maximum extent possible under the private and public sectors, apart from purchasing of additional power. The utilities are also focused on strengthening of T&D network and to further reduce the losses to below 15%. The government is also very keen to develop the green power, particularly solar and wind power. AP has already come out with the solar power policy, and AP Transco called for bids for supply of 1,000 megawatts of solar power. The developers have given consent to supply solar power at 6 rupees 49 paisa, perhaps it's one of the lowest in the country, sir, for about 418 megawatts. Enthused with the good response received, the government have decided to extend the same opportunity to other willing solar power producers to supply 6 rupees 49 paisa per unit as decided by the group of ministers. Sir, one of the significant development in the recent times, our government took major initiative, perhaps the first time in the recent times in power sector of Andhra Pradesh, keeping in with the severe shortages of power due to fuel crisis. The government has constituted State Energy Conservation Mission under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh, involving all departments and its principal secretary. Not only that, government keeping in view the vast experiences of industrial agencies like CAI, FAPSI, FICCI, government has given an opportunity to the representatives of these industrial associations to involve in the energy efficiency, energy conservation activities in the state. Holding monthly energy conservation review meetings with all the concerned, conducting wide range awareness among the people, and special programs for school children to educate them in energy conservation. Interestingly, around 500 students of leading private schools in and around Banjaras and Jubilees, sir, students, they themselves, they come forward and achieved around 750 units they have saved, sir, by convincing their parents within 2 months, February and March of this year, sir. The Oblate Public School, Bharati Vidya Bhavan School and Jubilees Public School. Students of these schools, voluntarily they come forward after our initiation. They have achieved something. So, we are very serious to motivate the people from grassroots. We are going to take up special programs in schools and colleges and universities also, apart from other departments. The one more, few more things. The following decisions in respect of industrial sector were also taken to enhance the energy efficiency in industries, sir. Industries Department, in coordination with industrial organizations like CAI, FICCI and FAPSI, shall study the sector-wise and segment-wise consumption patterns of the various industries and suggest suitable benchmarks for further improving the energy efficiency and reduction of electricity consumption. In addition to the green factory guidelines and linking incentives to the energy efficient industries, Industries Department shall examine the smart grid system for all industrial parks in the state for reduction of energy consumption for common purposes and street lightings.